COVID-19 has made things very difficult to try to purchase online as it pertains to live streaming, podcasting, and video conferencing. Things such as microphones, cameras, capture cards, things of that sort have become extremely difficult to find or have become extremely overpriced. My friends at Tonor have sent me a very quality, inexpensive mic to review. Let's dive into it. This video is sponsored by Tonor Microphones. Tonor provides the best solution for upcoming artists, streamers, podcasters, and creative stars that are waiting to come out, waiting to be noticed. Tonor allows you to own high-quality professional audio recording devices without pinching your wallet. Backed with an irresistible 30-day free trial period, Tonor is the perfect brand to help you create a sound masterpiece. So I just recently released a video on 3 affordable microphones. You can see that video here in the card if you haven't seen it already. But I went over 3 quality microphones, one of them being a Tonor mic, one of them being a Snowball mic, and one of them being the Audio-Technica 2020 USB Plus. So since then, my friends over at Tonor have actually sent me their latest mic, which is the TC777. And I'm really excited. It looks really sleek, it looks really compact. And the best part is it's available and it's affordable, especially during this crisis when everybody's having to work from home and video conferencing has been such a key. And people, in my experience, have had some pretty poor audio quality because they're using their iPhone mics or they're using the microphone built into their laptops, which just captures all of the background noise around them. So let's get into opening this box and see what they have. So one of the first things you'll notice when you see this box is it comes with a 2-year warranty, as you can see right here in the top corner. I really love their logo. I really like the design of their box. Very kind of rock and rollish, hip hop punkish. And it's secured by 2 tapes. So we're gonna go ahead and cut those guys open. So very well packed. That's good, high quality, dense styrofoam. We have the service card. You know, basically show us your love. We have the instruction manual. This is just a plug and play. I'm gonna show you guys how to do this within Voicemeeter Potato, but for the most part, it should be just a plug and play. We have the pop filter that comes with it. So I guess one thing I'm not a fan of, just from the packaging, is they included the foam kind of pinched in here. But let's see if we get it nice and open. And then it actually comes with a shock mount kind of built in here. We might have to see how to make that a little bit better. Yeah. And then it comes with the shock mount is attached to a little tripod stand. I'm gonna go ahead and put this cover right over it like it should. Again, not a fan of the way that was packaged because now it's all kind of messed up. And then you have this arm right here for the pop filter, and that pop filter screws on just like this. So it looks like the setup is to be something like this. It looks like the Tonor logo is the front, so there's the Tonor logo. So that would be the front portion of the condenser mic. Again, USB. So this is what the final product is supposed to look like. The build quality of the stand looks good. I'm not sure how I feel about how the microphone sits into this shock mount. It's basically some rubber bands around some tabs on top and bottom, and there's no security from it hitting. I'm wondering if I'm supposed to push it down and that's supposed to put it into place, which that does. So it looks like you have to, push it down, kind of lock everything into place. We'll put the pop filter in front of the Tonor logo, and let's go over to the computer and see how this guy sounds. And we're at the computer now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to plug the USB cable into one of my front USB ports here on my PC. All right, let's go to the desktop. I'm going to show you Voice Meter Potato because that's what we're going to use to test this audio in. So let's head over to the desktop right now. All right, guys, welcome to the desktop. So everything's been installed. Like I said, it's a plug and play device. So I should be able to just go to hardware 3 input where I do not have a device selected. I'm going to click on select input device, and I should see microphone Tonor TC777. That's the microphone that we're going to be testing out. So I'm going to turn this mic off now. We're going to use the Tonor mic for the remainder of this video so we can give it a fair and honest review. And I'm going to put my headphones on so I can hear with you. So out of the box, this microphone is about basically like 2 hand lengths, about a foot, maybe 14, 16 inches away. And out of the box, this mic sounds fantastic. Very quiet as far as background noise is concerned. It picks up the voice really well. The tone is really nice. Let's see with Voice Meter Potato, which, by the way, if you haven't seen my Voice Meter setup video, there's a card right above that you can check that out if you want to go this route as well. So let's make a couple adjustments. We're going to make the voice a little bit deeper. And then we're going to create a noise gate, which means basically if audio is above a certain level, that's when the mic will start picking it up. And what this does is remove any hiss, any mechanical whirring noises that might be around, that might be interfering with the mic, any air that might be blowing directly on the mic. So this helps clean up some of that background audio. So we're going to add a little bit of a gate, about 1.5. And then we're going to turn up the volume on this just a little bit to about 9. 9 sounds really good. Let's see what it sounds like all the way. So at 12 you can see, or you can hear rather, can't see sound, but you can hear it. You can hear that this sounds so much better. Now you might be hearing my AC in the background only when I'm talking, but when I'm not talking, you notice you don't hear anything. So if I was to remove that noise gate, now you hear that hiss in the background, which is why I like to keep at least a noise gate of 1.5. So all in all with this mic is a great value at $40. It's eligible for Amazon Prime. You can find a link to it in the description below. If you click on it, you'll be supporting the channel and helping me out. And Tonor just makes some really great quality stuff, man. I've been using Tonor products for about 2 years now, and for the price, you can't beat their quality. They are light, they feel really cheap, but the sound quality that they produce is absolutely amazing. So would I suggest you buy a Tonor microphone? Absolutely. This little TC777, the newest mic in their line, is fantastic. It's a fantastic deal, and I believe you should firmly go out and buy one if you're looking for a really great affordable option for a condenser mic. You're not going to go wrong. You can use this for podcasting, live streaming, video conferencing, whatever your need is for this microphone. And it works. It just works. Plug it into your Microsoft Surface tablet. You can plug it into your MacBook. It's cross compatible across all devices. So, like I said, if you want to pick this mic up, there's a link to it down in the description below. Thank you guys for checking out this video. If you like this video, please be sure to hit that subscribe button and tick the notification bell so you get a notification whenever I push out a new video. Also, please hit that like button. That really helps out this video as well. Additionally, you can find me on twitch.tv/Dagan07. I stream there every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday nights from 10 p.m. Central to about midnight, maybe a little bit later depending on how I feel. But those are the days that I stream on. Also, you can find me on Twitter, twitter.com/Dagan07. And you can also find me on Instagram at Dagan2007. So appreciate you guys for stopping by. I hope you enjoy the mic if you pick one up. Please let me know if you want to pick one up in the comments below. And I will see you next time in the next video. Bye.